video will teach you how to upload and convert a Microsoft Office document into a Google Doc. So open your Google Drive. In the upper right hand corner, click on the cogwheel and then click on Settings. You'll notice this checkbox that says Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format. By checking this box, when you upload a Word document, it will automatically convert to a Google Doc. When you upload a PowerPoint, it will automatically convert to Google Sheets. And when you upload an Excel spreadsheet, it will automatically convert to a Google Sheet. Once you upload it, just make sure you check it over because sometimes the formatting gets a little bit funky. When you're done, just click Done. To upload your file, you can click New in the upper left-hand corner and File Upload. You'll be able to select the file from your computer and click Open. Or you can simply drag and drop your file into your Google Drive, and then it will upload and convert. One benefit of uploading and converting a document into the Google version, if you use Google Classroom with your students, you'll be able to make a copy for each student and they'll all get their own and they can edit it and turn it in. You wouldn't get this benefit if you used attached a Word document. So you'll notice that uploaded and converted, the Word document has a W on it, which you see on my right hand side, and what uploaded into my Google Drive is actually a Google document because it has a Google Docs icon. So that's how I know I successfully uploaded and converted my document. And that's it.